Hi friends, I'm back with another topic. Moreover, it's a question. Who are you? The simplest answer is what you do defines you. I have a simple policy. Don't care what others think who you are. If you're happy and not hurting any other living being in this universe, then you are in the right track. And also, please have in mind that the following summary is not to make others judge you good, but to make yourself understand who you are. Eventually, people will get to know who the real you are by your actions, not by your words. Let's derive something. In my previous article, I have stressed you about one sentence. What you think makes you. I hope everyone agrees on that mantra now. Let's dive deep in. Whatever you think frequently, you will eventually end up by doing it, irrespective of whatever the category is. And that makes you. Whatever makes you defines you. So, what you do defines you. Hence proved. Simple, right? Let me tell you again. Whatever you're thinking frequently, you will eventually end up by doing it. Doing makes you. Whatever makes you defines you. So whatever you do defines you. Let's deal with some examples to make you clear. If you are helping a needy person without expecting any benefits, who you are? You are a social worker, you are a selfless being. If you are stealing something from others, who are you? You are a thief. You are a bad guy. Ooh. If you are teaching people, who are you? You are a teacher. If you do command, who are you? You are a commander. I think you might have got a clear picture in your mind from what I am trying to say here. Follow your passion. I want to bring this portion under this topic because passion is more important for you to be you, the real you. If you have a passion, it means you have a strong emotion for it. That emotion gives you the power to follow your passion without losing interest in your passion, despite whatever the world says to you. And if you plan to take steps to achieve your passion, then your mind is thinking about it, and eventually your thinking becomes your action, and then it becomes you. Since what you do makes you. Everybody will be successful in their life if they follow their true passion. You have to make sure that whatever you think your passion is that your real passion? How to find what is your passion? You might have come across many things in your lifetime. You have to choose one or many which triggers your emotion. Let's say cleaning house makes you happy. Happiness is a good emotion. Follow it. One day you will become pro in it. You will master it. You will find techniques. You can even start a company with this as a base concept. This makes you. There is a company called Urban Company which provides this as a service to the world. They are successful. Nothing in this world is inferior. It's all about how we feel about that. Some people say that they haven't experienced such emotion in their lifetime. I have an idea for you guys. Explore more. You have to explore this world. Whatever you know is just a handful of sand when you compare it with this entire world. Whatever you haven't explored is the size of the world. So you have to explore more to understand yourself and find your passion. I am planning always, but when it comes to action, I am failing. Many people in this world, including my past me, are having a problem of entering into action after a perfect planning. During my school days, I had so many plans to cover a subject for an exam. I had 5 chapters, so I will calculate the time for each chapter, but I failed to cover that. So After some time, I will plan again based on the time left, and sometimes I had achieved it. Now, when I compared everything, I realized it is all about taking the first step. If you start your first step, it means you have started it. You have to complete it. This might be not an apt example, but please relate it to your passion plans. It's all about taking the first step. Once you took your first step, nothing in this world can stop you. And also, don't take a huge step in the beginning, you will exhaust sooner. Take gradual weight step by step. Know your limits and act appropriately. And a positive point of taking small step at the launch is you will find encouragement after completing small steps. Encouragement will always accelerate you. You have to learn self encouragement. You have to encourage yourself so that you will never stop your plan in the middle. You have to give yourself a gift after each step to your goal. That's again encouragement. Also, consistency is a major part of achieving your passion. In order to maintain your consistent, please chunk huge steps and execute them. Also, your emotion will trigger to maintain your consistency. Admire yourself. The one and only person in this entire world who will never betray you in any situation is you. I'm not saying you do not trust anyone. I'm just trying to say don't expect from others. Love yourself. That will lift you to the peak. If you love yourself, you will start following your passion. That will become your reason to live. Yes, Ikigai. Finally, everything is having a connection like Marvel Cinematic Universe. Also, your passion should not damage others. Loving oneself doesn't mean hurt or hate others. As I have told in the beginning, don't hurt other living creature for your self-happiness. Never stop developing yourself. I have talked more about this in my previous topic. You can have a look at it. Developing yourself is interesting and makes your life interesting to live. Get into the mode where you are carving yourself. Always do carve yourself with new learnings. We'll be back next week. Thank you for listening this till the end. If you like this, please let me know by sharing it with others. Thanks to Daya Bro and Simran, my friends who suggested this topic. I also got other suggestions from my friends. Please do follow me. I will share my thoughts every week with new topics. Once again, thank you.